What is up YouTube? It's your girl Stormialena back at it again with another video. So in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing video nitong nabili ko na modern LED chandelier light from Shopee. So I'm gonna link it down below and let's watch yung kanilang promotional video. Just a second please. Ayan, so ito yung first style na pwede nyo gawin, and then second is like this one. Third is paganyan, and fourth is like this. So, depende lang sa inyo kung anong mga style ang trip nyo sa buhay. Adjustable yung mga strings that is attached to the rings. So, ayan, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust whichever style you prefer. So, another feature of this modern chandelier is meron siyang remote na kasama. So, maa-adjust mo yung kanyang brightness and yung pagka-warm ng kanyang light. So, this one is tricolor. Meron siyang bright, warm, at saka yellow light. So, and the design is very elegant. It really makes a difference ambience ng inyong house. So, ayan. Pwede siya sa living room, dining room, whichever room you would like to put this on. So, yes. Okay, back na tayo dun sa unboxing. So, ayan, safely secured naman siya sa kanyang box that it comes with. So, ayan, yung mga strings na yan is adjustable. And, ayan, mayroon siyang mga wires na pwede mong i-connect sa main power. So, I think hindi ko siya pwede or hindi ko siya basta-basta ma-connect ng ako lang. So, I'm gonna need help ng electrician. So, ipapakabit ko lang to. So, ayan. So, as you can see here, medyo sobra yung kanyang parang plastic sa LED. So, okay lang din kasi pwede naman siyang i-cut. And, ayan, gold yung frame niya. Metal yan. Gold. Tapos, ayan, yung mga strings na pwede nyong i-adjust. So, ayan. Yung white pala niya is parang plastic na bendable. So, ayan. Ginaano lang siya, ginatuck in lang siya dyan sa metal rings niya. So, ayan. Ginatry ko kung sturdy ba yung mga wires niya. And okay naman. So, ayan. Medyo mahaba-haba din siya. So, pwede mong ilagay ng mahaba or maiksi. Depende sa'yo. Yan. Okay, let's have a closer look. So, ayan. As you can see, yung white na material na yan is very flexible. Para siyang goma na plastic. So, ayan. As you can see, medyo mahaba yung mga white. So, okay lang yan kasi maaano din natin. Pwede na siyang i-cut. So, ayan. Yung mga bilog-bilog na yan is yung parang hold ng mga wire. So, pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Kapag i-pull mo siya, kailangan mo siyang i-unlock ulit kung gusto mo siyang pahabain. So, ayan siya. The wiring itself looks complicated to install. So, we're gonna need some help from a professional. So, ayan. I hope you find this video helpful if you are finding something na to change the ambience of your house. I recommend this one. And please do subscribe for the second video. I-video ko yung pag-install nitong chandelier. So, yes. See you on my next vlog. Bye!